So here is how you change the page size on your Microsoft Word document. First of all, make sure you are on the page layout tab, then select the size. But before you do that, we'll figure out which one to use. In the US, mostly they use 8.5 by 11 inches, and in Europe the A4 size is the one which is commonly used. Neither size is a bad choice. We can use any format. So to change the page size, just go on the page layout tab, then on the page setup you can select the size that you want. We have many options. There's letter, tabloid, ledger, legal, A3, there's A4, there's A4 small, A5, A6, then we have letter small. If you can't find the size that you want, you can go to more page sizes. A pop-up will be displayed and you can select from the drop down the size that you need. There's tabloid, ledger, legal, we have A3, A4, A4 small, A5, there's A6. There are many sizes. You can scroll down to find the one that you need. Here we'll just use the ones that are commonly used. And that's how you go about changing your page sizes in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Remember to leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you are not part of the Ninotech KE already.